It's a first for me, so after not posting for a couple years, I'm finally going to start posting videos again. Just something to do on the fun on the side. So this is the beginning of pretty much rebuilding my car, kinda. Um, well, the parts list is like I got to replace the CV axle, both front disc brakes, brake pads, obviously, uh, driver's side bearings, and then I got to replace the door handle on the driver's side door, which is the first thing I'm doing since I finally got parts. And by the way, when you live in the UK, it's kind of hard to source parts for a US spec car. So, good luck, everyone. All right, let me get started. By the way, the current weather is typical UK. Very, very typical. So I'm going to get all this taken off, and then I'll follow up with the next half, and then I got to replace. Let me disconnect the power. So, lovely door handle. Yeah, this is what happens when your son does some things, and then someone tried ripping the door handle off to get into the car and kind of broke that. And now I'm finally replacing that because it gets a little itching because the door does not like to shut sometimes, or doesn't like to open from the inside. I have to roll down the window and then hit that, and then I'll be able to open the door. Good times. I don't know if you can see that. That toe is a pain in the ass. I don't have that like a hook tool, so I used a flathead screwdriver. And then most people usually don't really show this. You got a bolt here, and then there's a bolt in here, which is a 10 mil, or these two. You can use, here, this way back there, you can use a Phillips head. Most YouTube channels don't even say that, which is not surprising. They just show you something like way back here. You really see someone just their back the entire time in some kind of voiceover. So, yeah. Love YouTube production. Make sure you grab the bolts when you're doing this so you don't lose them. This is the fun part. Yay! I know you can't see anything, folks. Sorry. Let me wish these bolts. Oh, another fun fact. So this is the one that came out where the door handle is, and this is the one that came out, so make sure you remember where you put the bolts. Or in my case, just throw it in the center console. Yay! The fun parts. Move to the UK, they said. It'd be fun, they said. It's been fun so far. Was in Germany before this, so if you saw some of one of my shorts, which is down below somewhere, you'll notice that it had German plates. Now I live in the UK. And then eventually I'm going to be back in the States. Just not anytime soon. So, alright. Hold that thought. Well, I didn't record any of my progress. I'm a total fail. So, it is done. All brand new and stuff. know, lighting sucks. So yeah. So I got a little play in it. I think they broke the interior spring. So I got to replace that whole unit. Minus the key, because I don't want to rekey the car. Other than that, yeah. So yeah, I'm a pretty average guy working on trying to repair my car and probably start working on her. I have no problems working on her. I actually know how to take her apart, put it back together. I've done 90% of the work on her. So this one's unique. Fun fact. Honda came with a auto cam tensioner, which sits right about in here behind this frame. It's a pain in the ass to get to. And mine's stuck. It won't like adjust automatically like it's supposed to. So either I go with OEM or go with a manual tensioner and run the risk of tightening it down too much on the cam. And when there's too much tension on the cam chain, things don't like to work like they're supposed to, and then you got bits shooting out all over the place. So yeah, like, comment, share on the bottom. I'm trying to get started. Any help is lovely. I'm just a normal dude trying to do normal things, so nothing fancy. Probably in later videos I'll just go over like who I am and what I actually do for real work, not, you know, making YouTube videos. So have fun. Bye.